Hey guys, it's Erica from C Squared Farms, and today I am getting ready to make a batch of our laundry detergent. We choose to make our own because our skin is super sensitive and we've really had a hard time finding something as we line dry a lot of our clothes that doesn't fade our clothes, that is also really good for our skin. And so today I just wanted to take you through what I put in my laundry detergent and how much it makes. Okay, so there are 5 ingredients that I use here. We use baking soda, washing soda, coarse sea salt, Epsom salt, and I got these guys on on Amazon. They are the essential oils they're the Barnhouse Blue Fresh Summer Scents. There's fresh cotton, baby powder, vanilla, let's see here, sweet pea, mountain rain, and this one doesn't want to come out of the box, ocean breeze. You guys can see. These do really well to not leave a residue on our clothes or a color. They don't stain the clothing. And so I chose, by the reviews, I chose to get these scents here to put into our laundry detergent. So far we have used the Mountain Rain and the Fresh Cotton, and both of those seem to be my favorites. All right, so in this, you guys can see I put it in a 5-gallon bucket. We have one of the screw-on lids that go on this to keep all the moisture out. Today I'm gonna mix up about 6 batches of my recipe that I have here, and so we're gonna get started. So first it says to do 9 cups of baking soda. I already have 4 in here. I use this little wooden spatula. I got it pretty cheap. I've treated it with mineral oil, so. But I mean, either way, we're not going to use this for food. I know which one is for my recipe here for the laundry detergent. Got a little more baking soda over here. Add in. Just was wanting to use the one that was open already. So that's 8 cups. All right, so we got our baking soda in. The next is going to be the sea salt. We're gonna do 1.5 cups of sea salt. And it's crumbled up too. There we go. Now we're cooking. All right, so there's our sea salt. Now we're gonna do 9 cups also of the washing soda. I also got the washing soda on Amazon. This stuff's pretty cheap. I get it on sale a lot. mess, but that's okay. Also this, I think, yeah, this is the super washing soda. So we've got the 9 cups of washing soda, the 9 cups of baking soda, the 1.5 cups of sea salt, and the last thing before we add in our essential oils is 3 cups of epsom salt. I don't get scented epsom salt, I get just the plain regular old epsom salt. I've made a big mess and we've got that done. The last thing that I'm going to add in is 100 drops. The last thing I'm going to add in is 100 drops of your favorite essential oil. Like I said, be careful when picking, because sometimes if you have oils that have a coloring to them, they will, it can turn, get oily on your clothes. We haven't noticed any of that on ours. I think today I'm gonna choose, I think the last batch we did, this is our 3rd batch. The last batch I did was the Mountain Rain. So I think this time I'm gonna go back to the fresh cotton, just because I love fresh cotton, who doesn't? You guys wanna see, that's what it is here. We're gonna do 100 drops of the essential oil that you choose. Book, dump it. All right. So next, all I'm gonna do is just stir this around in here really good. You want to break up the clumps. And just make sure you're stirring it all the way to the bottom here. I really have enjoyed, I have eczema, my husband's a redhead, so, it's just, we have to be really cautious and real careful about deodorants and just basically anything that goes on our body that is scented. And like I said, a lot of times when you find those things that don't irritate your skin, they don't clean well. And you live on a farm, especially in the summertime, you're hot, we're out building fences, moving sheep, building whatever. We are always hot and sweaty, and this stuff gets any sweat stains out, any bad smell, bad odor. It works great. Like I said, we also line dry when we're able to help cut down on our energy bill. And so line drying our clothes, you want them to be able to withstand the fading that the sun can do. And so far, none of our clothes have faded. This doesn't make a buildup on your clothes, which a lot of laundry detergents do. And this is also an all-natural recipe, which, if you know me, the more natural, the better. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a look. Like I said, there's a few little clumps in there. I'll go work back through all that. You just wanna make sure you get all the clumps out. You're stirring really good, getting it all mixed around real good from the bottom. That way you're getting that oil and everything in there. And I'll just keep doing that here in just a minute. But I just wanted to take you through and show you how simple it is to make your own laundry detergent at home. And this stuff cost me less than buying any detergent at the store. And to me, it works a lot better, especially for our skin and for cleaning and not fading our clothes, especially with all the craziness going on with all the chemicals that they've been putting in everything. You know, this is one less step to hopefully not getting cancer that our family can do. So that's gonna be it for today. I just wanted to take you through, show you how easy it is to be able to make your own things at home. I hope you guys have learned something useful. And if you guys don't mind, give us a like and share on our video. I will post the recipe in the comments below. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.